Hi, EDU 144. I just wanted to clarify a few things for your child assessment project. You guys do have another checkpoint coming up due next week, and this checkpoint is going to require that you submit one of your anecdotal notes and your running record for this particular observation. So one of the things that I just want to kind of clarify, I know I had sent an email announcement out earlier in the week, but go into the classroom. You should be spending half of the time doing the running record, half of the time doing the anecdotal notes. If you need to come up with alternative time lengths because of work or other things, so for example, if you're only going in for a half hour, you still need to have 4 hours of total observation time over the course of the semester, but I am okay with you doing it in half-hour chunks if that is easier for you. Again, those visit verification forms, though, do need to show 4 hours total in the classroom with the child. So once you document your notes, take a look at them, and then you want to reflect on your documentation, interpret your observation. So what can you learn about the children or the child from the statements and actions that occurred, and then take a look and relate your observation to those NC-FEL domains. The different domains that you're looking at are going to be physical, cognitive, social, emotional, and language and communication. And so you want to take a look at your notes, and you might want to come up with a color coding system, I think is what I suggested in the email. And so you have pink for cognitive. So everything that demonstrated that relating back to that cognitive domain, you could highlight in pink. You might see some overlap with language or physical development or social emotional development. There are things that very well may be in more than one area, or you may choose to just focus on one of those domains for that particular observation period. Either way that it makes sense to you to do it is fine. If you need assistance with this, then please reach out to me. I'm happy to set up a time to Skype, talk on the phone, FaceTime, or set up a meeting in person. Sometimes when you are speaking with somebody, it makes more sense than hearing it, and you can get that clarification that you need. So please just reach out and let me know if you do need help. Your next steps after this are going to be what steps you would take, how you're going to use that information from your observation and from your assessment. So planning and setting up goals and activities with regards to those different domains. So that will be our next step, but I just wanted to clear this up for you now. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions.